My name's Christian Corey and I'm one of the test pilots at Sikorsky, and it's my pleasure to get to stand in front of the RaiderX, which we're debuting here at AUSA. It's Sikorsky's submission for the Army's FARA contract. It's the Scout Replacement Helicopter that we're going to be competing for in the near future, and we're really excited about it. We think that the coaxial rotor system of RaiderX is going to provide the Army with the capability that they're looking for as they go into the future. It's going to have all the agility and the low-speed handling qualities that you'd expect out of a conventional helicopter, but it's got speed that you're not going to find. We're able to achieve that speed primarily with the co-rotating coaxial rotors that you see. It allows us to overcome this thing called retreating blade stall, which is really the primary limitation to high-speed forward flight in a conventional main rotor helicopter. We're really excited to bring RaiderX into the world. It's a follow-on derivative of the Raider aircraft that we fly today, and we just couldn't be happier to carry on the relationship that we have with GE, where we're currently flying the YT706. We're really excited to pull the T901 into the FARA-X. Recognize that this is going to be kind of the introduction of the life cycle of both of those components, the engine and the aircraft. But we see a lot of both growth potential in both the engine and the aircraft. So we're thrilled that as the engine grows and gives us more capability, we've built an aircraft that is sort of like pre-sized to be able to accept that excess capability. And we think that that's going to give the Army a lot of value going forward for years to come.